Hi to all the ladies, except for the women that think all men are dogs, all men should die, we don't need men, all men are deadbeats, all men cheat, all men lie. Not hi to you. I'm excluding you in every form. Guys, we need to start changing our mentality. And I'm talking about the ladies, I'm talking about us. We need to change that mentality we have. I worry about women that have that mentality of despising men when they have children, male, female children. I worry about them because that resentment towards men will be given to your daughter. I am not supporting men who are deadbeats. There are men who are deadbeats by nature, but there are men who are trying to get access to their kids. Those are men that we support. And if women are going to say all, that's the problem I have with women saying all. There are a lot of things that women say about men that are unwarranted for. It's not necessary. If one guy can show you flames, it doesn't mean the next guy will show you flames. If three guys show you flames, doesn't mean the fourth guy will show you flames. Hopefully not. But for example, I have been essayed twice. Do I hate men? No. I was dumped on my matric dance day in the morning. Do I hate men? No, because I know that not all men are like that. It is said that the good men have to bashwele dibi tsa some men. And please, I am not saying men do atrocious things. Men do things that Luena Walisheba and what they call heinous crimes as much as women do that. But the other thing I don't like is how it is easy for women to bash men. But men can't do that. Easy example, they can't have preferences, they body shaming, they are whatever. I don't like that. And yeah, it's not about me. And I understand that people have their experiences, and I'm not invalidating that. I think we have to get to a point where we sit down and say it was Tabo and Temba and Josiah that hurt me, and I hate them, not every man. There's a song by Asha, I just forgot that song, where he talks about I'm not the other man. I'm not the man. Guys, just tell me about the song. I'm not the other man. So a lot of us are missing out on good men because a man comes, he really likes you, but because of all this resentment you have towards all men, you miss out on a good man. And the good men are now bashwella the men that are bad. And because of all this animosity and resentment that women in general have against men, it's so hard to tell. But how can you not tell if you don't give them a chance? So this is just for I'm saying hi to the women that appreciate me. Let's appreciate me.